Good morning, guys. It's Cora from The Decorating Housewife. It's so good to see you. Today I want to show you how you can change your curtain panels that have grommets into something more high-end, a box pleat curtain. So all you need are a couple of tools, a stapler, and one of these guys. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I hope I've given you some inspiration on changing up your curtain panels without having to go out and spend money on new ones. And you're getting tired of the grommets like I was. So give it a try. Don't be intimidated by it. It's very easy to do, a little time consuming, but it is very easy to do. And trust me, the look is worth it at the end. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.